Miss Nikita to please come up on the stage.
Good evening, everyone. Let me welcome you all to this very prestigious Kaiba Annual Award function. It's a moment of great pride for me to be with you all this evening. So we have with us our chief guest of the day, Mr. Thiru Ganesan, our COO. Welcome, Thiru, and thank you so much. So, well, today I had a few things to talk about the year which just passed by, 2015. It's been a remarkable year. We did a lot of things that I could just talk possibly about for a couple of hours together. But then I also feel that most of you, if not all of you, have been part of this beautiful journey. And then I realized that, I would like to talk something today which possibly could empower you as an employee and as partners of Kaiba. Something which has bearing on how you approach your life, how you handle your work, and how consequently do you grow as an individual and as professionals. So first on my card is believe in yourself. It's a very simple statement, but trust me, it's a very meaningful statement. So let me ask you, do you believe in yourself? Okay, great. So see, the answer could be a simple yes or no, my friends. But whatever the answer is, what the crucial is having a belief in yourself, in your potential and your determination. And with so much of confidence and with so much of belief in yourself, when you are to do something, you know that you're not far away from success. Good. So my second point is creating an individual target. So no matter who you are and no matter what you do, it's very important that you have an individual target created for yourself. You have to create this for yourself. A bullseye, a ground zero, before reaching which you do not simmer down. You do not stop, not even think of slowing down. For milestones are meant to be marked. They are meant to be created and they're meant to be reinvented, right? So my next point is having an unsettling desire to win, to achieve. Let your unique method, let your formula, let your principle be different. But what is crucial is your attitude, is your hunger, is your obstinacy to win. And believe me, that alone could be and should be the driving force. Right? Good. My next point is maximization of input. So remember, output is just a reflection of input. It's just a result. So what is important is our actions. Our actions are significant. So how our acts are designed and executed decide how successful you are going to be, right? My fifth and the last point is every work is important. That every work which is assigned to you has an impact, a formative impact on your life. So the bottom line is, when you do something, do with full conviction and undying zeal, right? So for example, we see an enthusiastic employee working and one not so enthusiastic employee working. While an enthusiastic employee is right there to solve the problem, to work it out, the one who is not so enthusiastic is defeated by his or her own tedium. 2015 has been a remarkable year. We did a lot of changes. And on this stepping stone we have ushered into 2016 is going to be a year of commitment and achievements. And I'm proud of my team, each one of you present here. And I'm very confident with the team here. We are definitely going to continue to build our brand, right? So I look forward to the evening. And my heartiest congratulations to the winners. All of you, I'm sure, have put utmost dedication and an outstanding performance. Proud of you all. A huge round of applause for the winners and my team. From a rising entrepreneur to an envying business tycoon. They all have the merits of passion, performance, and perseverance. While the presence of these qualities make them earn a name, fame, and so much of respect, the absence of the same qualities does not even leave behind an echo. Not even an echo, right? So what I would say is, it's for you to decide which league would you like to join. Rise up and be the one. Thank you so much and enjoy the evening, guys. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Nikita, for those words of wisdom and igniting the fire to achieve more.